Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the router model and firmware so you know what options are available. Next, connect directly over Ethernet or open a secure SSH or Web GUI session to avoid packet loss. Wired is more reliable. Once connected, navigate to the Administration or Maintenance section and locate the backup, export, or configuration management controls. You want to be ready to export the full config immediately. This prevents accidental changes from being lost and makes the following steps deterministic and reversible. You will now create the backup and verify it. Export the full configuration file and select encryption or password protection if the router supports it, because credentials may be included. Save the file with a clear name including date and device ID, then copy it to both a local secure folder and an off-site location like encrypted cloud storage. Once saved, generate a checksum or compare file size and timestamp to the original export to confirm integrity. Make sure the file opens or decrypts successfully before making changes. You finish by restoring and confirming operation. If possible, test the restore on a matching test device or use an offline mode to validate settings first. To restore, upload the chosen backup, follow the router's restore workflow, and reboot when prompted. Many devices require a reboot to apply settings. After reboot, verify connectivity and critical services. If something fails, access the console or serial port, examine system logs to identify the error, and immediately revert to a previously verified backup to minimize downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.